In this video, I'll go over some of the Canvas quiz moderation features, which can help you satisfy some of the requirements of students' individualized education plans. To access the moderation features, choose any of your quizzes, and then from the menu, select Moderate this quiz. This is a quiz that's already been completed by my students, but you'll still moderate in the exact same way. So notice I have one student that didn't finish this quiz. I'll work from hers. So pretend this is before you've published a quiz and you want to set up certain features for some of your students. What you would do in the Moderate this quiz section is select the pencil for those students whose quizzes you want to modify. Here, a menu will pop up that will allow some of your students to get extra attempts. You can see everyone already gets 1 attempt, but maybe I want this student to have 3 attempts. I can also add extra time for students that get extended time. So everyone gets 6 minutes for this quiz, but maybe I'm going to give this student an additional 3 minutes. From here, I've got some other options as well. Let the students see the results one more time or manually unlock the quiz for the next attempt. I'm not going to add any of those, but depending on your situation, you might want to. I could see myself maybe using this manually unlock the quiz for the next attempt if, let's say, between attempts 1 and 2, I want my student to complete an additional study guide or something like that. As it stands, I'm just going to make these 2 changes and click Save. Now you'll notice that Megan gets 4 attempts as opposed to everybody's 1 attempt, and she gets an extra 3 minutes on each of her attempts. So you can kind of play around with this feature and use it to help moderate some of your quizzes for students that may have particular modifications in their plans.